Welcome to Leadership Excellence Awards North 2025, a platform that honors the leaders shaping the future. My name is Megha, and it's my honor to welcome one of the visionary leader who's shaping the field of education. So let's welcome Dr. Preeti, right here, the director of GL Bajaj. Welcome, ma'am. It's an honor for us.
Thank you.
So, ma'am, as GL Bajaj has been consistently setting benchmarks in education and research, what do you think sets the institution apart and has led to this recognition at the ET Awards?
So I believe that what makes us different is the skill education which GL Bajaj is into. I believe education is for knowledge, but skilling is for employability. So at GL Bajaj, we ensure that our tagline says, "Find your spark." How every individual, whether he is a teacher, student, faculty, everyone find their spark, and how we can fine tune his goals into the skilling,
Yeah.
and then prepare them for lifelong.
Yeah.
And that makes GL Bajaj to be different than others. And we are very, very thankful for ET for giving us and recognizing our these efforts and giving us this award.
Well, ma'am,
Thank you so
it's
much.
an honor for us. And I also believe the same that anyone can be a bookworm, but a person who has skills, critical thinking, will go farther in
Very,
life.
very true.
Yeah.
So it's basically, I believe it's trinity of success. So knowledge, behavior, and skill. When
Yeah.
these three things made together, it gives you a perfect combination, and it's known as trinity of
A
success.
perfect personality.
Yes.
All right, ma'am, that was a really beautiful thought. My next question for you is GL Bajaj is known for fostering innovation and entrepreneurship through its incubation center and centers of excellence. Could you share some highlights of these initiatives?
Yes, so GL Bajaj has gotten Nidhi Prayas, which is incubated by Government of India, DST, and we are also being recognized by MSME. And as on today, we have more than 102 startups. Many startups are from women. And you take a name like it starts with millet. Which is this generation, our government has given us, the focus on the by the food industry to be on millet, whether it is sustainability, which is again a need of an hour, or it is on technology, right,
Yeah.
from AI to AR, VR, and whatnot. So you will find every startup which is tech driven or need of an hour, and they are being incubated in our beautiful campus with state of art infrastructure. And not only the infrastructure, but they have their different needs. So catering to their needs and preparing them to have, to fight with and to establish themselves in the world of startup. That's our goal. And not only for, and it is not only open for GL Bajaj, but it is open for the region. And we have many even IIT students coming to us to incubate BITS Pilani and very well-known institutions. Their startups, they are finding second home to, GL Bajaj. And we ensure that the students do come forward and with their innovative ideas, and how we can pre-incubate them to ensure that they become successful entrepreneurs, and we incubate finally in our incubation as well.
Well,
So it's wonderful experience for everyone who join with the idea which is being nurtured and pre-incubated, then incubated, and giving the country a successful entrepreneur, which is again in need of an hour.
Well, that's a really strong initiative that GL Bajaj is putting forward for all these students, shaping their future and also helping them find out their spark.
Yes.
So, coming up next, Placements at GL Bajaj have been outstanding over the years. So, how do you ensure that students are industry ready in such a competitive landscape?
So again, GL Bajaj is known for its record break placements in terms of number of recruiters, in terms of the high packages, and in terms of the width of the kind of companies we do bring. So how the institution is working? So at GL Bajaj, we have established many center of excellences. We have a complete team of training to whom we prepare right from first year, because to inculcate the lifelong learning skills, to inculcate the industry driven skills, it's not one day job. And apart from that, as I said, for trinity of success, so we need to groom them.
Yes.
We need to prepare them for the industry, so that in today's industry do not want to spend money or time on any of the new recruiting. They just wanted industry ready students. In that case, it's our responsibility, and we do prepare them right from first year, so when they enter into final year, they are ready for the placement. And that makes them, whether it is 10 leading companies have established their center of excellences in our institution, right from cybersecurity, whether it is AI, whether it is Oracle, and lot of companies they are finding NVIDIA. So top companies, they are setting up their campuses, their small units wherein the students can learn the scaling, they can do certification, and they are being industry ready. So when we follow this model and we are preparing the students for the particular industry, the moment industry is asking us a particular skill, so our training team and our teachers, they do prepare the students for that skill and get those certification, and that makes them perfect for industry. What else they wanted, and that gives us high packages in the region.
So GL Bajaj is actually raising industry leaders.
Yes. So with record-breaking, recruiters and the placements and the high packages, that makes us, at the top of the world, we will say, in this region.
A perfect place. Coming up next, let's talk about AI. So AI and emerging technologies are redefining education. So how is GL Bajaj integrating these advancements into ecosystem to stay ahead?
Okay, so you are asking this question to a person who is AI driven, and I spent my life all over for AI. So at GL Bajaj, it's to start with, first of all, we have Center of Excellence, which is being set up by the industry. We ensure that minimum number of hours of AI training is being given to students right from first year. We organize and conduct with leading partners like ET. So we have organized AI conclave, which gives us worldwide speakers and one who has a say in AI. They give that exposure to our teachers and our students as well. We train our faculties into AI so that they are ready for next 30 years is going to be dominated by AI.
Yeah.
So it's minimum and probably beyond that. And we not only in AI, but the related fields, whether it is data science, whether it is augmented reality. So we ensure that our students are being trained on these skills, and whether it is in the curriculum or not in curriculum, but everybody has to learn a particular number of hours so that we make them ready. And it comes to mini project, minor project, major projects, their startup ideas, and the number of hackathons, which few we have initiated and few wherein we encourage our students to participate. And all these efforts are focused to one goal, that our students should withstand, with this challenging world wherein everybody, every field, every industry is talking about AI.
AI is the future, and GL Bajaj is moving forward with it.
Very true, truly so.
All right, ma'am. It was lovely talking to you and understanding your perspectives. So thank you so much for joining us.
Thank
and I
you.
hope that GL Bajaj will go very ahead in life.
Thank you so much. So we ensure that our every student would find and believe in our tagline, which is, find your spark. So everyone who comes to us, we stand by, and GL Bajaj Institutes would be taking up this mission to its best. Thank you
Preparing
so much for
industry
this
leaders for life.
opportunity.
Yeah.
It was
Thank you
nice.
so much, ma'am. Thanks a lot.